What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to position your rock beam DC light. So before we dive in, let's talk about the different ways we can position our light. So because there's these rubber feet on the bottom of the light, this means it can go onto any surface like a table, on top of a totem stand, or even the floor for a wall washing effect. For wall washing, you can either place it completely flush to the wall so that the light will beam directly upwards, or you can take the light and place it a few feet away so that it can hit the light in a different angle. And because it comes with a mounting bracket, we can also mount the light onto a truss. For this setup, you're also going to need a lighting clamp like our very own LC70 here. So the first thing I'm gonna do is remove this bolt here on the bottom of the lighting clamp, and I'm also going to take off this butterfly nut here. Next, I'm going to take the mounting bracket and line up this hole here in the middle to the hole here on the bottom of the lighting clamp. I'm going to take this bolt and run them through the holes of the bracket and of the lighting clamp. And then I'm going to take the butterfly nut and screw that back onto the bolt for extra security. So now that we've got the bracket attached to the lighting clamp, the next thing we're going to want to do is attach the bracket to the bottom of the light. So to do that, we're gonna go to the bottom and find these two screws here. These are what we're gonna use to attach the bracket onto the light, so we can take them out by using a screwdriver. After you've taken out the screws, you're gonna take your mounting bracket with your clamp, and you're gonna line up these holes on the mounting bracket to the holes here on the bottom of your light. Then you're gonna line these screws back up to the holes of the bracket and the bottom of the light, and then use a screwdriver to fully tighten these screws to lock the mounting bracket in place. So now that we've got the mounting bracket along with the lighting clamp secured to the light, the next thing we can do is mount it onto our truss. So to do that, we're just going to loosen this butterfly screw here on the lighting clamp. And you're gonna want to do this until there's enough space to line the clamp up to a spot on your truss. Once you have enough room, you're gonna take your whole light and you're going to find a spot on your truss to mount your light to. Then you're gonna line up the light along with the clamp to that spot where you want it mounted and tighten the butterfly screw until it's fully secure onto your truss. Now keep in mind, you'll want to be sure that you have long enough cable to run your DMX and your power cable from the light to wherever you have your DMX controller or power supply. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to position your rock beam DC. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.